What's going on, YouTube? Thought I'd do a quick update on a project I'm working on. So, one of the big problems I had with the traditional rollers is that I was too heavy for them. I'm like 265, I'm not like overly heavy, but still too heavy. So I had to come up with something new. And these are 4-inch casters. Got them off eBay. And you buy a pack of them for cheap. And this is a turnbuckle. Got this at the hardware store. And then it comes down to some brake line that I put a little crimp on. I've got that on both sides. And that is an amazing job of putting pressure on the tires so that you have resistance. I'm going to take it a step further because my standard cadence and speed sensor don't fit this bike. I'm going to put a reed switch across here, and then I'm going to run the wire up, and I'm going to put an Arduino here, and then I'm going to have that send speed sensor data to my computer. Not sure if I want to use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared, ultrasound, I don't know. But write a little program, and thought about also using the Doom WAD editor for the bike path, but I think I'm going to use Unity. I'm just going to create a simple track, and I'll keep you updated. But that's what I've got so far.